Ha! Hold on. Take these tap shoes off.
All right, time to go out into that audience again. I'm gonna get a couple helpers from the audience. Who wants to come give us a hand right here? You, sir, you raise your hand, and you, miss, right here. That's pretty quick. Come on up, guys. All right. What is your name, my friend? Jeff. How about a hand for Jeff, everybody? Take this going over on the other side. What's your name, darling? Heather. And Heather. A hand for Jeff and Heather. This is a game for Kathy and Ryan, and Jeff and Heather, and it's called sound effects, all right? There will be no noises, no sound effects in the scene unless you guys do them. Jeff and Heather. Heather, you will be... Oh my God. I know it's hard. You're going to do all the sound effects for the lovely Kathy Kinney. If Kathy was going to pet a dog that got angrier and angrier, it might sound like this. Angrier, angrier, angrier. Okay, very good, very nice. If Ryan was going to milk a cow that got more and more angry, it might sound like this. Angrier. Mangrier? Oh my God. You ever been on a farm? No. Okay, wait. That's okay. No, that is absolutely perfect.
My mistake, this is a bull.
Well, that would explain the anger.
Angry.
That's exactly how it's played.
I don't know why there was...
It's going to work. All right, I want a suggestion from you guys for just a rugged, adventurous, outdoorsy occupation. Somebody. Rancher. Rancher. We just got Rancher. He's never been on a farm, so let's have some fun with a rancher. Get the mics right up to your mouth. Be ready for sound effects.
Oh, sorry. Saddled the goat. Good.
Morning.
Morning.
You must be the new gal.
I am. I'm just surveying the herd. They're really...
There's not much of a herd. We only got the one cow left now. Packs of coyotes attacking cows.
Well, that's why I'm here. I got that special coyote gun. I'm gonna just cock it and I'll just shoot anything that comes across my path.
Looks like you dropped your bullet. We got some ranchers to meet down the stream. I'm hopping on my horse, hop on your whatever it was that you rode in on. I think it might be a goat, but keep up. Ha!
Gotta resaddle it.
Hold on. Take these tap shoes off. See how this works. Ha!
Yeah.
Yahoo, I say.
Yeehaw!
It's a lot quieter.
My goat's pretty quiet too.
Vultures! Bang! I don't like to kill anything. I think they understood the sign. Here we are. Thank God this horse is tired. You hear when I stopped? Woo. He's had enough.
There's
Why don't
not
you
a
come
bit
on down by
of...
the stream here and we'll have a little picnic lunch.
All right. Because I don't see a bit of green grass anywhere. I just see... Is that a woodchuck?
Well, it could be a woodchuck. It's a bomb!
It's a bomb.
Get down! It's a bomb disguised as a woodchuck. Flip it over. I think it might have got off. I'm not sure. We cut it open with my knife. Oh, there is a bomb in here. Listen to it ticking. It's the horse put his shoes back on.